What up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today on Fitness with Frost, we're doing a tech unboxing. A lot of people sent me their products to go over a little review or let you know what they're all about. So let's go ahead and get right into it. First thing I want to go over is this Ultra Human thing they sent me in the mail. I'm going to be doing a full review on this. This kind of gives you an idea of how food affects your body, deep health insights. It's definitely going to be very interesting, so make sure you're subscribed. So we're going to be going over that when we get into it. Alright, next thing I have is a wireless set of earbuds. All these things are going to be linked in the description down below. Wireless sport headphone. These are relatively cheap. I'll be posting how much it is right underneath me. So this is relatively easy of an unboxing, kind of unfolding. Oh, comes with a nice little pack here with a carabiner, small little carabiner. Also comes with a micro USB cable as well. And not only that, a little hello package, give you an idea of what this guy is all about and what it does. But let's go ahead and get right into the unboxing. So as I'm unfolding, everything's built right in. So these look extremely like a pair of Beats Buds. And not only that, they do come with a bunch of different extra tips if you're looking for something that's going to fit into your inner ear a little bit better. I do love these wing tips a lot. They also have a right and a left on it. Power is on one side with a plus and minus on the top with no real buttons on the other side. So let's go ahead and see how it fits in. Might take a quick second to figure it out. Okay, there we go. Okay. They're feeling pretty tight, pretty, secure in the ear, which is great. Actually, it has a lot of passive noise cancellation. I can't really hear anything around me, and wow, they are really secure in there, and I haven't had to pick out any of the tips in there. But of course, let's go ahead and see how easy the pairing is. I'm going to hold on to the power button. Alright, there's no power button, but, Alright, there's no power in the actual buds themselves, but I'm going to make sure to get these nice and charged up to let you know if they're really worth what they are charging. And of course, the charging port's here at the bottom as well. Alright, I got them all charged up, and I've been listening to them for a little bit, and, they are about $22, and they fit the bill. For $22, they are a great pair of headphones. The highs aren't really that great. The bass really isn't that great, but at this price point, you really can't complain too much. It does have a speaker built in, so you can take calls. 33 feet of wireless connection. It does have IPX7 water resistance. It says it has high quality sound, richer bass. $22, $22, and 7 to 9 hours of battery life. So if you are looking for a solid pair of headphones that are going to stick onto your ears pretty well, and even though the strap isn't the best thing in the world, $22, I don't think there is another pair of headset that I could really recommend for that. But yeah, these are a great pair of headphones, $22. All right, on to the next one. We have a 3-in-1 handless vacuum. I got a newborn at home, and I got a puppy. Not really a puppy. She's 7 years old, 8 years old now. So having a wireless vacuum can be very helpful, especially in the car and stuff like that. I'm really not the best at opening things, to be perfectly honest. Just go. It doesn't need to be that pretty. Let's do that. Yeah, there we go. Don't forget, close your knife. Be safe. Got a camera. Could be an air duster as well. Handheld vacuum, pick up things, and a hand pump. All right. Interesting. It says there's a max power of 65 watts. Nice unboxing experience, to be perfectly honest. It's got all its accessories built into this box. And the actual vacuum concealed in here. And it has a nice little pouch to carry it in. So if you do have it around the house or around the car, it is, concealed pretty well. And a USB-C charging port. So it's got a warning label right there, but USB-C for charging, really can't complain about that. All right, this really doesn't have any charge into it. I'm going to plug this guy in and let you know what it's all about. All right, I'm not exactly sure how well you guys can see it, but say your dog, say her name is Lucy, is bringing in a bunch of stuff from outside. You need to clean it up? Yeah, that was you. No, it wasn't really, But if you want to pick that up, oh wow. And I guess this is with the extender as well. All right. I didn't expect it to do it that well. Those are pretty big pieces. And I also did learn, so if you guys need to know, when you unlock it, you can kind of just undo it right there. And then you have the cylinder right here to be able to pop open for, you know, cleaning and whatnot. Look what I just cleaned up. But yeah, it works pretty well. All right, so I forgot to hit record as I was opening this box. I forgot what it was, but SimPal sent me this body fat percentage smart scale for me to do some testing with. If you see my channel, I've been looking for a good smart scale. I got a couple of them right here. I just did the withings. I was not very happy with. And I even have a couple other ones, not really in grabbing area, but haven't been happy with any of them as far as a reliable, solid body fat percentage measurement. But the difference with this one is they also send you a SimPal smart measurement tape as well, so it'll give you measurements that you'll also be able to track. That's very interesting. Instead of just being a scale itself, this is also going to be able to check your measurements and check your progress from there. And hopefully, that is also going to give you a more accurate body fat percentage as well. I'm going to be doing a full review on this, so make sure subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, so you'll be one of the first ones to know when that video comes out. All right, last but not least, I'm pretty sure I know what this is, and I am excited about this one as well. Close it up, don't cut yourself. Yes. All right, so they sent me this Sidekick foam roller that is also a vibrating one as well. And they sent me something else that I'm not particularly aware about right now. So I know what that is. That's a foam roller. I'm going to be doing a review on this guy. Kind of excited about that. So again, make sure you're subscribed. But they also sent me an Apex Sleeve Flare Smart Mobility Device accessory. All right, let's open this guy up. Oh, it's just a smaller one. Oh, jeez, they sent me two. Oh, no, just a regular. Oh, it looks like it's an actual sleeve to the actual foam roller itself. So you get two type of tops for that foam roller, even though essentially you don't even need the foam roller itself to use this. It's probably one of my favorite things about the smart foam roller. Yes, it does look like it has USB-C charging. Looks like it has heat as well, which is interesting. Couple different vibration patterns. But it also is a foam roller when it runs out of battery. So, you know, those smart massagers out there, runs out of battery, you can't really use it to massage. This, always a foam roller. But again, make sure you subscribe to know what that's all about. But if you like videos like this, the unboxing experience, if you want to, please smash that like button, hit that subscribe button so you see more content like this, and comment down below if you really did like it. I'm not exactly sure what you guys are thinking about it, but other than that, stay happy, stay healthy, and above all, stay positive. I'll see you guys in the next one.